Have you ever wondered how to build a sleek and functional weather application interface using Java? Imagine being able to design and code your very own weather app, complete with real-time updates and a user-friendly interface. Today, we're going to make that a reality. We'll start by discussing the two popular libraries you can use to build the graphical user interface, or GUI, of your application: Java Swing and Java Fx. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but either can be used to create visually appealing and responsive GUIs. For this tutorial, we will be using Java Fx due to its modern look and feel, but feel free to use Swing if you prefer. The first step in creating our weather app is to design the layout. We'll start with a simple, clean design with an area to display the current weather, a search bar to look up different locations, and a section to show the forecast for the next few days. To do this, we'll use Java Fx's VBox and HBox classes to organize our components vertically and horizontally. Next, we'll add interactive components to our layout. We'll include a text field for the search bar, labels to display the weather data, and buttons to trigger the search. Remember to give each component a unique ID, as we'll need these to connect the GUI to our Java code. Once we have our layout and components set up, it's time to fetch some real weather data. For that, we'll use a weather API. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is like a bridge that allows different software to communicate with each other. In this case, it allows our Java application to retrieve weather data from a weather service. We'll use the HTTP connection class in Java to send a request to the API and receive the weather data in return. Now that we have our weather data, we need to display it in our GUI. To do this, we'll connect our components to our Java code using the IDs we set earlier. We'll use the setText method of the label class to display the weather data in our labels. Finally, to make our app truly dynamic, we'll add an event listener to our search button. This will trigger a new API request every time the button is clicked, updating the weather data based on the location entered in the search bar. And there you have it, a sleek and functional weather app, built completely in Java. We've covered a lot today, from designing a GUI layout, to fetching data from an API, to making our app interactive. With these skills in your toolkit, you're well on your way to becoming a proficient Java developer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to build your own weather app, experimenting with different layouts and components. There's a whole world of possibilities out there, waiting for you to explore. Thank you for joining us on this coding journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you hone your Java skills. Until next time, keep on coding.